So hello dosto, this is Dr. Anil. Now I welcomes to my machine learning classes. So today we are going to see a very important machine learning topic that is very important. Sometimes this topic is very confusing and this is very helpful for the students, those who are doing the practice on machine learning programs, because today we are going to be discuss a very important top 10 machine learning packages which is very helpful in machine learning programs. Okay, so let's begin without doing the delay. Okay, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channels. I will give you a more videos based on your requirement on professor sorts, so please subscribe my channels, and if it is find to be suitable, you can like and share it. So now begins the top 10 packages. So let's begin the top 10 packages which is used in the machine learning. So here you can see that this the first one is a matplotlib. Matplotlib is one of the library for the plotting the two-dimensional plot. If you want to plot two-dimensional plot in your for machine learning problem sets, you can use the matplotlib packages, right? It is very flexible. If you want to use it, is very flexible one. And here with the help of matplotlib you will get high quality of graph. Whatever the graph you will draw with the help of machine learning, it will be a very high quality, right? And here's this is one of the visualizations tool, you can say. So matplotlib is one of the visualization tool which is used in the machine learning. Point to be remembered, it is not a data analysis tool, it is one of the visualizations tool. Yes, so now let's begin to the other important package which is used in the Python, right? That is called natural language toolkit, that is NLTK. So it is one of the packages which is used for symbolic and statistical representations during the natural language programming, and it is one of the machine learning operations. It is used for the classifications and sometimes for paraphrasings, and most of the times this NLTK is used for prototyping purpose also in the machine learning. So it is one of the important packages. Point to remember, that is your natural language toolkits. Now we can talk about the pandas. Most of the times people are confused, right, about the pandas. So pandas is one of the packages which is used for high performance, and it is easy to use the data structures, right? And pandas is used for optimized for the performance purpose, and it is also best suited, and it is also built on matplotlib. So matplotlib with your first one, matplotlib and pandas, it will be work together. So please point to be remembered, right? Don't be confused, right? So here now let's begin to another important packages, that is called scikit-learn. So it is one of the machine learning, you can say it is one of the machine learning package which is used for built on top of matplotlib. Especially you can call numpy, scipy library, and this scikit-learn is used for especially the supervised learning, right? Now we can talk about the Seaborn. Seaborn is one of the important library which is used in the machine learning. It is used for making the statistical graph in the Python. So whenever you want statistical graph, you can use the Seaborn, right? Matplotlib is also for the plot and graph, but it is for two-dimensional. But if you want any kind of statistical graph, you have to use Seaborn. Now come to the very important package, that is called numpy. So numpy is used for multi-dimensional array. Suppose we want to process any multi-dimensional array data or any matrix. For processing any matrix, we are using numerical computations in the Python. This is num stand for numerical and py stand for Python. So it is one of the high level mathematical computations packages which is used in the machine learning, and we can import this file as an np most of the times, and this panda we can import as an pd. Right, now we come to the another packages which is very important in the python, that is keras. So what is keras? So keras is a machine learning one of the packages in the python which is used for high level natural network. Whenever there is involvement of neural network concepts, you can use the keras. Means specifically whenever we are going for deep neural network or DNN, right, then we are using the keras. So it is capable of running on the top of TensorFlow. Along with the TensorFlow, keras can be worked. Now what is TensorFlow? TensorFlow is again one of the packages which is used as an open source library for high performance computations using the data flow graphs. So for using the data flow graph, if you want high performance, we can use open source library that is called TensorFlow. So it is most widely used in the machine learning. Now come to the SCI Pi. So SCI Pi is a machine learning library with different modules for optimizations, such as SCI Pi is used for linear algebra and statistical process. SCI Pi is used for most of the time in signal processing also, right? Please remember. So then you come to the PyTorch. So PyTorch is also one of the packages in the Python which is used in the machine learning. It is based on the torch which is implemented using the language of C. Initially it is originated by Facebook. Now this PyTorch is used nowadays Twitter also, right? So these all are important top 10 Python packages for the machine learning. You please remember all this utility, then only you can understand about the program. So these packages is very important to be learned, and their important features. What are the features? What are the why we can call, right? So hope so you have a brief about all. I have given the brief about all these top 10 Python packages. If you like, you can subscribe my channels, and if you have any specific requirement regarding the machine learning libraries and packages, let me know, and please like my channels. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy and you have some gain about the top 10 Python packages of machine learning. Thank you. Have a good day.